This canyon I've been talking about in my last videos is right here. I found where this really wild inlet to the canyon is, and if I'm calculating right by looking at the trees coming into the canyon from the other overlook I looked at it from, I can hike right down this valley where it starts to drop here deep out there, and that just goes down and down, and then I can hike through the canyon all the way to the highway, and that's where I'm thinking about getting picked up 48 hours after the departure from this spot right here. Always beware of lightning. This wasn't here the last time I was here. Lightning can be dangerous, yeah. Well, I found a fire over here that was smoldering earlier as I was walking by, and I went ahead and threw some rocks on it, and a little bit of my water I brought that I didn't bring enough of. But on the way back through, I found this can, and there's this tank full of water about 20 yards away. So we're gonna fill this can. And we're gonna walk back over here and just do our part to make sure that the fire doesn't pick up with the wind, because the wind's picking up, and dang, we've seen some pretty horrific fires around. If you're a wild one like me, it looks as if they might be coming back, but they left their whole home or tent or whatever right there. You hear it? That's why I'm doing my part today. The wind can turn that up, spread a fire. Not a lot of people out here. This is deep out in the wild. So yeah, do your part.